Welcome to another episode of Stezworld. I'm your host Steven, and on today's video we're actually going to talk about my 1-year review of using global entry. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Well, just like I said before, this video is me talking about global entry after 1 year of having it. I'm just gonna say it is a great program, especially if you are a frequent international traveler. If you travel a lot internationally, you know for sure that the lines for non-US citizens and the lines for the US citizens and green card holder sometimes is very long. You probably could spend hours in there just trying to pass through immigration. And then there's a dedicated line for the global entry users, and most of the time is empty. So is it worth it? Yes, it's actually worth it. I actually spend more time waiting for my luggage right after I pass immigration than going through immigration with the global entry. And I have a previous video that I made on the interview on how to get the global entry, which is my #1 video on the channel. So like, for example, this is my review about it. If you are a non-US citizen and would like to get a US entry or US global entry, there is a possibility, there is a chance. If you go to the global entry website, you could actually see the list of countries that you could actually get into the program if you are not a US citizen or a resident of the United States. For example, I know there's some countries in Europe. There is some countries in South America, such as Argentina, Colombia. The citizens of those countries are eligible to get the global entry. If you have the opportunity, if you live in one of these countries abroad and are eligible to get it and travel a lot to the United States, get it. If you are a US citizen or a resident of the United States and travel a lot international, I recommend you to get it. At the time of this recording, the fee costs $99, which is cheap. It's actually for 5 years. Once you qualify, once you pass the interview, you get the ID number and you can start using it right away. Once I got my card came on the mail after qualification for about 2 weeks. It's been smooth sailing ever since. Every time when I travel, I'm always on the pre-check. That's another plus of using global entry, that you actually get pre-check, which comes additionally with the global entry. So every time when I go through security through TSA at the airport, it is fantastic using the pre-check because I don't have to take off my shoes, I don't have to take off my sweater or my hoodie, and I could leave my laptop or my tablet inside my luggage and just put it in and go through security, and voila, you pass TSA. Also using global entry, I actually spend more time waiting for my luggage right after going through immigration. Normally, most of the time, I spend like 15-20 minutes waiting for my luggage. Global entry line, I just get into the kiosk, take a picture, a printout comes out, and then go straight to the custom agent that's right there. He's gonna ask you if there's anything to declare, and most of the time you just say no, I have nothing to declare, and then okay, you're good, and you just leave. The process going through customs and global entry will take about 1 minute, maybe less than a minute. Just tap the screen, take a picture of yourself, and that's it, you're good. Is it worth it? Yes, I'm gonna say it again, it's worth it. I could say it a gazillion times, it's worth it. Pay for it, unless if you have one of those credit cards, like those high-end credit cards like the American Express Platinum, the Chase Prefer or the Chase Reserve card, Sapphire Reserve. I know most of those cards, they offer like a benefit. They'll pay for the fee for either for TSA pre-check or the global entry. If you have those cards, use it. Is worth the money. It's worth the money. There's nothing I could complain about. Yes, they will do a background check before you actually go through the interview and all that stuff. They just want to see that you are pretty much a safe traveler. That's pretty much it. And also what I noticed when I'm actually traveling internationally, coming back to the United States, for those who knows, normally there's an interview process coming back. So normally those security people from the airline that they're doing the interview to come back to the United States, they normally going to see that you actually have pre-check, so they're not going to bother you as much with the questions. And chances are, I'm not sure if it happens to you, but ever since I've been using the pre-check global entry, I have never gotten the SSS sign on the boarding pass. If you're actually an international traveler, you actually know what that means. For those who doesn't know what the SSS means, when they see on their boarding pass, chances are you're gonna have to go through another security screening, more depth in security screening. But overall, I have not gotten the SSS ever since I started using the pre-check and the global entry. I'm not gonna say it's 100% all the time. If you are actually a global entry user and had a SSS on their boarding pass, please comment down below to see if it does happen if you are a pre-check customer. If not, it's worth it. This is it for a short video of me talking about my 1 year review using global entry. Like I said before, it is an amazing program. If you have the opportunity to get it, because you guys are going through, breeze through customs, breeze through TSA, not get hassled when you actually doing the interview at the point of origin of the airport, coming into the United States. I mean, it's worth the $99 for every 5 years. So I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, please like, not miss out any more videos that's travel related. And until next time, safe travels.